So now that we've talked about the slope formula and kind of what the slope means and how to find the slope, we're going to jump into linear equations and linear functions now. And we're going to talk about what the different parts of the linear equation mean. To start with, we're going to start working with the slope-intercept form of the linear equation. And that is probably the one you guys are most familiar with. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope or the coefficient on the x, and the y-intercept is that point 0b. And where it crosses the y-axis is b. So the next few examples are just 4 of them to be, as a matter of fact. Next 4 examples, we're just going to write equations for our lines. Okay? So it's going to look like slope-intercept form of the line, y equals some coefficient times x, and then our y-intercept. So when we do that, our slope, m, is 1/5. So that's our coefficient on the x, 1/5 x. Our y-intercept is a point 0, -3. So it's the -3 that goes in for b. And there is the y-intercept of that line, the slope-intercept form of that line. Same thing with b. We're going to have y equals the slope, which is 6, times x. And then we're going to add our y-intercept, since it's positive 5, plus 5. And there's the equation of that line. Now, with the next 2 equations, you're not given information other than the graph. So, again, it's going to be y is equal to our slope times x plus our y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept here is the point 0, 4. So there is our b right there. So we're going to have plus 4. And next we need to figure out the slope. Okay? It goes through the y-intercept. It also goes through that point. Now, since this line goes down as we go to the right, our slope is going to be negative. Remember, positive slope goes up as we go to the right. Negative slope goes down as we go to the right. And it's rise over run. So we figure out how far we go down and how far we go over from that point. Well, we're going down 1, 2, 3 units, and we're going to the right 1 unit. And we can simplify that. -3 over 1 just becomes -3. There's the slope-intercept form of that line. Okay. In D, we also have 2 points here. One of those points shown is the y-intercept. That's the point 0, -3. So there is B. Y is equal to our slope times x, and then our y-intercept, -3. Okay? Next, we just have to figure the slope. Again, we're going down as we go to the right, so our slope is negative. We are going down 1. There's your top number. And we're going to the right 2. There is your bottom number. So the equation of that line in slope-intercept form is y equals -1/2 x minus 3. Next, we'll look at graphing linear functions.